Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to day 19 of the Advent Calendar in a book, The Escape Room. Advent Calendar, Mysteries of Christmas. So let's have a look and see the story for day 19. The Light of the Lighthouse. The old man looked down at his sheet of paper as if the words, finally freed from their fog, touched him more than he would have liked. He put the letter down with almost painful slowness. Then, without raising his head, murmured, "Thank you. It's been so long since I heard her voice, even on paper." He was silent for a moment, rubbing his gnarled hands together, then began to talk about his sister, about a long time gone when they laughed together in a garden in the rain or over an overbaked cake. He said he hadn't been able to maintain that bond, but he let himself become overcome by silence, by the false idea that solitude protects from the world. He spoke for a long time in a calm, resigned voice. Leon listened to him, his heart pounding as one hears a confession one has already experienced oneself. One senses lurking deep within. He thought he was hearing his own life recounted by another man whom he felt like himself. And at that moment, everything became clear to Leon. He let a moment of silence pass. Then, "What's your name?" Leon ventured cautiously. But the old man suddenly turned his head towards him, cutting him off as if stung by an alarm. "We've already talked too much. We must go up. The lighthouse has slept too long. If there are any boats tonight, they're sailing without landmarks. Come on." And already he was climbing the last steps, steep but fast, carried by an urgent necessity. Leon followed him without saying a word. Above, the lantern shone with all its newfound strength, and the brightness, in fits and starts, cleaved the thick darkness like a sword. The beam caressed the sea with sovereign regularity, tracing furrows of bright light on the waves. Through the wind-battered windows, Leon contemplated the black immensity stirred by foam and distant flashes, sweeping his gaze from east to west. The shadow of the lighthouse, projected on the sea in this stormy weather, had something magnificent and almost unbearable about it. "What a beautiful landscape this stormy weather. Only some of these numbers will be useful to you. How can you identify them?" Okay. North, south, east, and west. Numbers. Lighthouse. Another pentagram thing. Yeah, that's gonna confuse me. We've got a stormy lightning thing there. Some of them will be useful to you. How can you identify them? I really don't know. That's not so much a puzzle as just a selection of numbers. There's multiple threes. There's no, the number. There's two fours there. I can see another four up the top there. It's not even one number in each thing because there's several numbers in that block up there. I was thinking maybe it's like colouring in particular numbers, but how do you know what numbers to do? I'm going to have to go back to the page and figure out. Let's see what it needs. Enter your answer below. It could be absolutely anything, doesn't it? This is not. Deep rumble of thunder can be heard, and to the southwest, the brilliance of the storm illuminates the sky. Well, that definitely. I mean, the storm is down here at the southwest, but I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea. So I'm going to grab some hints. The text mentions the lighthouse shadow. How could you reproduce it? When you say the lighthouse shadow, I mean, that's the light coming off of it. It's not the shadow. You'll need a pen and a light to reproduce the lighthouse and its shadow during the storm. The text also mentions Leon's gaze sweeping from east to west. No, I don't know. The lighthouse shadow projected on the sea, sweeping his gaze from east to west. So we're talking about having. I mean, it's going right to left. Something about a light. No, I don't know. it's got okay. What does it say? It's not letting me scroll properly. By positioning a pen on the lighthouse and a light on the lightning towards the lighthouse, you get a series of numbers in the lighthouse shadow. And the answer is this series of numbers from east to west. So, two scrolly windows inside the same thing. 7965212. I mean, surely that's dependent on how thick your pen is and exactly the angle you get the thing coming from. So I'm not. That's another puzzle that I don't quite like. Right, let's remember the numbers and put them in as the solution and call that a day. 7965221. 7965221. It's even the 12s being read backwards, and it shouldn't be. Yeah, a series of numbers in the correct order. I didn't like that puzzle. That wasn't much of a puzzle to me. That was just wrong. But anyway, we're in the final week. So, yeah, thanks for joining me today. Yeah, I didn't like that. Did you like that? Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about that one. But other than that, I shall see you for more tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.